to my channel. Today's video we're going to be talking about diffusing, and I'm going to show you guys how I diffuse my hair typically when I am in a rush to get my hair dry, because you know usually I like to air dry my hair all the time. I feel like I get the best results when I air dry, but I've learned a few things about getting kind of like the same results while diffusing, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do it. And I'm going to share with you a few tips that help me get the best results, because I feel like a lot of people don't really diffuse correctly, and that's another reason why their wash and goes come out the way that they do. So I'm going to show you right now in this video how I do that. So the blow dryer that I'll be using is this Eva NYC, and I really like it because it's really sleek. Like my last blow dryer was like really small, and the diffuser piece was kind of difficult to stay on, and this comes on and off like this. I like when the diffuser is really deep. One of the good things about this blow dryer also is that it has 3 temperature settings and 3 speed settings. I like to keep mine on medium for both so that it's not too much heat, because I don't want to get heat damage from doing this, and I also don't want the air to be blowing too fast, because if the air blows too fast, that's when you're gonna get a lot of frizz. That's why you want your speed to be like really like not too fast where it's blowing your hair all over the place, but you want it to be like, you know, good enough where it's coming out. Obviously I like to start from the roots. Some people start from the ends, but I find that if I start from the roots, it helps a lot more. The ends tend to dry faster than the roots, and you want your roots to dry in order for your ends to make sure that they hurry up and dry. And when I diffuse, I like to make sure that I'm holding it for 10 seconds or more at a time before I move it to another position. Now my roots are pretty much like 90% dry. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start with the bottom, and I'm just gonna cuff my hair and push it upwards. This helps with the curl definition because you're kind of scrunching it while you're drying it at the same time. That's important. That's another important thing. I try not to touch my hair, because that's another thing. I don't recommend that you touch your hair while you're diffusing, but I'm only doing that sometimes to kind of guide it. Sometimes when I want to keep some hair in the diffuser that's falling out of the diffuser, but you're not typically supposed to touch your hair while this is happening, because again, that will also cause a lot of frizz. Try to refrain from touching my hair and continue. And I'm going to show you guys one side just so you can kind of see like what it looks like, you know, after. So as you can see, this is fully dried, but my hair just has not expanded yet, and it needs a little bit of time to do that because it takes my hair like a little while before it starts to expand on its own. But this is pretty much what my hair looks like diffused, and I feel like that's some really good results for a diffuser. Because before, with my old technique, I felt like I was getting a lot of frizz, and that's why I didn't really like to diffuse. But I want to say that a lot has to do with this blow dryer, because for some reason it really does work better than my other blow dryer. Shockingly, I really like it. I'm gonna do the other side, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys. Maybe by that time my hair will expand and I can show you guys the full result. guys, so now my hair is fully dry, as you can see, and I love how it looks. Actually, I really love it. By the way, the product that I used today was this Not Your Mother's Naturals Curl Defining Combing Cream, and there's a video on this. I don't know if this video will be out before or after this, but it will be in the description box below. But oh my gosh, like, do you not see this? That's pretty much how I diffuse my hair, guys. And if you're looking for a good blow dryer, definitely consider the Eva NYC one, because not only does it come with a diffuser, but it also comes with this little attachment piece, which you can use to stretch your hair or straighten your hair, whatever it is that you need to stretch your hair for. It's pretty decent blow dryer. You guys saw what I was using before, and it was not, trust me, it was not. That was not it. But I'm gonna get a little closer. So as you can see, this is what my curls are looking like. I can't believe that this is diffuse results. Like, diffuse results have never been this cute on me, like, ever. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you. I hope you learned something. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment in the description box on what you want to see me do next. And I'll see you guys in my next video.